In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password protection for an Excel workbook. If you have an Excel file that currently asks for a password every time you open it, and you want to remove that requirement, the process is very straightforward as long as you already know the existing password. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so the workbook opens normally without prompting for a password in the future. Start by opening the Excel workbook you want to update. Since the file is protected, Excel will ask you for the current password before you can access it. Go ahead and enter the password to unlock the file. This step is important because you must have access to the workbook before you can remove its password protection. Once the workbook is open, look to the top left and click File. This takes you to the File Management area where Excel stores settings related to permissions, sharing, and security. From there, click Info. On the Info page, you'll see options related to protecting the workbook. Next, select Protect Workbook. This opens a menu with different protection settings you can apply or remove. In that menu, click Encrypt with Password. A password box will appear, and this is where the current protection is stored. Now remove the password by deleting everything in that password field so the box is completely blank. Make sure there are no hidden spaces or extra characters left behind. The field should be empty. After that, click OK to confirm the change. At this point, the password has been removed from the protection settings, but the change will not fully apply until you save the workbook. To do that, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or go to File and then Save. Saving is the final step that updates the workbook and stores the new setting. After the file is saved, the workbook will no longer require a password when it is opened. The next time you or someone else opens the file, it should go straight into the workbook without showing a password prompt. As a quick tip, before removing password protection, make sure you actually want the file to be accessible without restrictions, especially if it contains private or sensitive information. But if easier access is your goal, this method is the correct way to do it in Excel. And that's how to remove password protection for an Excel workbook.